In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to remove a text box in Microsoft Word. Text boxes are useful for highlighting information or creating unique layouts, but sometimes they're no longer needed, or they might get in the way of your content. Luckily, deleting them is easier than you might think. Start by clicking directly on the border of the text box you want to remove. Make sure you click on the border itself and not inside the text area, because selecting the border tells Word that you want to act on the entire text box, not just the text inside it. You might expect that right-clicking will give you a delete option, but in Microsoft Word, that option isn't available in the context menu. Don't worry, that's normal. Instead, once the text box is selected, simply press the delete key on your keyboard. For laptop users, the backspace key works just as well. As soon as you press delete or backspace, the text box will disappear completely, along with any text it contained. This leaves your document neat, clean, and free from unnecessary elements. Here's a helpful tip. If you accidentally delete a text box and want it back, you can always use the undo shortcut by pressing Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac. This instantly restores your text box so you can try again if needed. Another point to keep in mind is that this method works for all types of text boxes, whether they're simple, fancy, or have a background color or border. No matter how the text box looks, selecting the border and pressing delete will remove it efficiently. It's really that simple, no complicated menus, no extra steps, just a quick click and a key press, and your text box is gone. In just a few seconds, you can declutter your document and focus on the content that matters most. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.